Thank you for joining me on this question. I'm going to be looking at this question at exercise 1E number 12. So let's look at number 12. And this says, calculate the sum of an arithmetic series with 25 terms. So I'll put 25 terms. Given that the fifth term, so U5, is 19 and the 10th term is 39. Well, we use these two equations to find the first term and the common difference, because we are ultimately going to use either the sum of the half the n times the first term and the last term, or because un, the last term, is the first term and n minus 1 d's, we could then use the formula u1 plus, and instead of un we would have the last term is u1 again, n minus 1t times d. So we could use this formula, and we've got 2 times, actually we could just have 2 times the first term, n minus 1 lots of d. So let's use that rule, but let's first find the fact that t, the fifth term, which is, and so the, knowing, going back to this rule here, n minus 1d, the fifth term where n is 5, so we would put a 5 here, d, and we don't know the first term, so we've got the fifth term happens to be 19, so we could put here (19) equals the first term plus 4d's, and that's the first equation. And from the 10th term, u10 is the first term plus 10 minus 1d's, and the 10th term is 39, so we would say 39 is the 10th term. We don't know the first term, and there is our second equation. So we need to solve this, and we could simply take equation 2 minus equation 1. So that would give us 39 take 19 is 20. u1 time minus subtract u1 is 0. 9d take away 4d is 5d. So 20 equals 5d. Therefore, take the 5 across, d equals 4. So we know that d equals 4. Let's find the first term by substituting d equals 4 into, say, equation 1. So substitute d is 4 into equation 1. So 19 equals the first term plus 4 times, and d is equal to 4. So if 19 is u1 plus 16, therefore u1 is 3. Now we can go back to our formula above here and say, therefore, S of n, S of, we could say n, we'll write the formula down, not 2a, we've got 2 old school, plus n minus 1d's, and replace n with, n is, how many terms we want? We want 25, right? So we want 25 terms. 2 times u1, which was 3, and n is 25, and d is 4. And that's 12.5 times 6 plus 24 lots of 4. So 12.5. You could do this on your calculator. 8096. So it's 12.5 times 102. And that's why we've got the calculator ready. 12.5 times 102. And we get 1,275. All right, so that's the sum of 25. I hope that's helped. Until next time, stay happy.